The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Newcastle interchange via Katoomba. First stop Mount Victoria, then Katoomba, Lyndon, Falconbridge, Springwood, Valley Heights, Warramoo, Blaxland, Glenbrook, Lapston, Penrith, Kingswood, Werrington, St Mary's, Mount Druitt, Rooty Hill, Doonside, Blacktown, Parramatta, Granville, Lidcombe, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, Waverton, Wollstonecraft, St Leonards, Artarmon, Chatswood, Gordon, Hornsby, Asquith, Mount Colah, Mount Ku-ring-gai, Barara, Hawkesbury River, Woy Woy, Gosford, Broadmeadow, Hamilton, then Newcastle interchange